men with men committing what was shameful, and receiving in themselves the penalty of error which was due, the penalty that we are suffering today. And even as they did not like to retain God in their knowledge, God gave them over to a debased mind to do those things which are not fitting. They did not like to retain their knowledge, beloved, of God. Instead, they created their own knowledge and wisdoms and philosophies and understandings and lies they created and deceptions. But never before have you heard